How to replace the cutting line on your Ego 15-inch rapid reload string trimmer. First, make sure the nylon cutting line you are using does not exceed 0.095 inches. Remove the battery from the tool and rotate the spool retainer in the direction of the wind arrow until the load line aligns with the eyelets. Next, cut 16 feet of cutting line and insert it in the mounting hole inside the load eyelet. Make sure the line is straight and cleanly cut on the end. Push the line through until an equal amount comes out of the other side. Now, rotate the spool retainer in the direction of the wind arrow until about 5.5 inches of line extends from either side. Finally, push the spool retainer down while pulling on the line to manually advance the line to ensure the head is functioning properly and the line is extended.